Welcome to Electronics World. Welcome to the most comprehensive practice. What is electronics? Electronics is the science of controlling the flow of electrons' behavior. Bulbs to smartphones operate on basic. What electronics? 1. Understand the technology around us. 2. Repair devices and save money. 3. Design your own projects. 4. Contribute to the tech revolution. 5. Develop logical thinking. Electricity vs electronics. Electricity, study of charge flow, like power generation. Electronics, study of controlling this flow, like transistors. Electricity provides energy, electronics provides intelligence. Essential beginner tools. Multimeter, breadboard, jumper wires, pliers, wire cutter, soldering iron, power supply. These are your essential tools to start in the electronics world. Simple electrical circuit. A circuit is a closed path that allows electrons to flow. Needs: power source, load, conductor. Example: battery plus bulb plus wires equals complete circuit. Voltage, volts. Voltage is the electrical pressure that pushes electrons. Measured in volts, V. A battery, 1.5 V, car battery, 12 V, wall outlet, 220 V. Current, amperes. Current is the flow rate of electric charge. Measured in amperes, A. 1 ampere equals 6.24 times 10 to the power of 18th electrons per second. Resistance, ohms. Resistance opposes the flow of electric current. Measured in ohms, omega. Higher resistance means less current for the same voltage. Protects components from overcurrent. Ohm's law, V equals I times R. Most important law in electronics. Voltage equals current times resistance. If voltage increases, with constant resistance, current increases. If resistance increases, with constant voltage, current decreases. Resistors, types and values. Fixed, variable, light/heat sensitive. Values, from 1 ohms to 10 ohms. Color code, 4 or 5 bands. Gold band means plus or minus 5% tolerance. Resistor color code. Colors: black equals 0, brown equals 1, red equals 2, orange equals 3, yellow equals 4, green equals 5, blue equals 6, violet equals 7, gray equals 8, white equals 9. Example: brown, black, red, gold equals 1000 ohms plus or minus 5%. Capacitors, energy storage. Store energy in electric field. Used for smoothing signals, separating AC from DC, temporary charge storage. Measured in farads, F. Diodes, one-way valves. Allow current in one direction only. Block reverse flow. Used in AC to DC conversion, and circuit protection from reverse polarity. Transistors, electronic switches. Amplify signals and switch circuits on/off. Has 3 terminals: base, collector, emitter. Small base signal controls large current. Series circuits. Components in single line. Same current everywhere. Total voltage equals sum of component voltages. Total resistance equals sum of resistances. Parallel circuits. Components connected between 2 common points. Same voltage across each. Total current equals sum of branch currents. 1/total resistance equals sum of 1/resistances. Series parallel calculations. 1. Solve parallel sub-circuits. First. Point 2. Replace with equivalent resistance. Point 3. Treat new circuit as series. Point 4. Repeat until total resistance found. 6. Characteristics. Resistor, linear relationship, straight line. Diode, LED, transistor, nonlinear relationships. Curve shows their behavior at different voltages. Voltage divider circuit. 2 resistors in series. Voltage across resistor equals total voltage times its resistance / sum. Used to get lower voltage from power source. LED circuit with resistor. LED needs 20 mA at 2V. With 9V battery, resistor equals 9 to 2 / 0.02 equals 350 ohms. Use closest 330 ohms or 470 ohms. Resistor protects LED from overcurrent. Simple audio amplifier. Using transistor as amplifier for audio signals. Small signal from microphone amplified to drive small speaker. Basic circuit to understand amplification. Simple battery charger. Zener diode for voltage regulation, resistor for current limiting, capacitor for smoothing. Simple circuit for charging small batteries. Light activated switch. Light dependent resistor, LDR, controls transistor switching. When light present, transistor turns on and drives load, like LED. Simple alarm circuit. Pair of transistors form oscillator circuit. When circuit opens, wire break, alarm sounds. Practical security application. Multimeter, proper usage. One device measures voltage, V, current, A, resistance, omega. Learn to read digital display and select proper range. Always start with highest range. Measuring voltage. To measure voltage, place meter probes in parallel with component. Ensure correct voltage range selected. Meter draws minimal current. Measuring current. To measure current, place meter in series with circuit. Disconnect power, connect meter or circuit. Measuring resistance. To measure resistance, ensure power is disconnected. Resistance measured without power. Meter sends small current to measure resistance. Continuity testing. Special mode that beeps when circuit completes. Used to check wires, connections, and find shorts and open circuits. Electrical safety rules. 1. Disconnect power before working. Point 2. Use safety glasses. Point 3. Don't touch charged capacitors. Point 4. Keep work area clean and dry. Point 5. Handle power sources carefully. Electronics work hazards. 1. Electric shocks, even at low voltages. Point 2. Burns from soldering and hot components. Point 3. Eye damage from sparks and chemicals. Point 4. Inhalation of soldering fumes. Point 5. Fires from short circuits. Essential safety tools. Safety glasses, insulating gloves, fire extinguisher, ventilation fan, first aid kit, fire blanket, circuit breaker. Your safety is priority. Electronics tool maintenance. Clean tools regularly. Store in dry place, check wires and connections, replace old batteries, keep tools away from moisture. Workspace organization. Clean and organized workspace increases productivity and reduces accidents. Use storage boxes, shelves, wallboards, and good lighting. Clean after each session. Project, reaction speed game. Using buttons, LEDs, and simple logic to create game that measures reaction speed. Fun project to learn basic digital circuits. Project, simple thermometer. Using temperature-sensitive resistor, thermistor, with fixed resistor and meter to measure temperature. Practical application of voltage divider. Project, automatic night light. Light-dependent resistor, LDR, controls LED. Lights automatically in darkness, turns off in light. Practical project for automatic control. Project, tone generator. Using capacitors and resistors with transistors to create oscillator circuit producing different tones. Introduction to audio electronics. Project, battery tester. Simple circuit using LED and resistor to check battery quality. LED lights bright if battery good, dims if weak. Next learning steps. 1. Apply what you learned in practical projects. Point 2. Learn microcontroller programming, like Arduino. Point 3. Study digital and logic circuits. Point 4. Learn design software, like Eagle, KiCad. Point 5. Join electronics communities. Congratulations! Course completed. You have completed 42 learning slides in practical electronics. You now have a strong foundation to continue learning and start your own projects. The digital world is in your hands.